Hey you guys, okay, so today we're going to be looking at the difference between Maybelline Fit Me foundation and Maybelline Lumi Matte foundation. So I'm going to be using the Fit Me on the side of my face and the Lumi Matte on the side of my face, and we'll talk about it in detail. So as you all know, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is an affordable fellow and we've all been using it for a very long time. Now this foundation, if you have oily skin, it's going to be your best friend because this is like a really matte foundation. Let me just go ahead and apply it. I have oily skin, so I usually use a gel based moisturizer before I apply this foundation. But if you have dry skin, please apply a nice, creamy, heavy-duty moisturizer that's going to really hydrate your skin before you apply this foundation because it can get patchy and dry out over time. Okay, so this is what the shade looks like. I've just blended it into my face, and as you can see, I think it looks a little lighter for my skin, but this is the shade closest to my skin. Okay, I've tried every other shade and nothing else really goes. So what I normally do is just apply a little bit of darker concealer here and there to just even out my skin tone completely. Now I'm going to show you guys the Lumi Matte. This foundation is going to be really good for people who have dry skin and combination skin. Y'all are so lucky, man. Y'all can use anything. Y'all can use absolutely any foundation because y'all have combination skin and everything is going to suit y'all just fine. So, but if you have dry skin, like I was saying, the Lumi Matte is going to be really good on your skin. And look at this. The shade is such a close match. Like, they're both 310. But if you look at the Fit Me foundation, it looks a little like ashy it's looking. But if you look at this, it's just like perfectly blending into my skin. So as I was saying, if you have dry skin, this foundation is going to be just perfect for y'all because it gives a really nice glow to your skin and it moisturizes it as well. You know, let's talk about the shades. They are both 310. See, 310, 310. They are both the same shade. This one gives a very close like skin finish. It doesn't look like you've applied too much of product on. Meanwhile, this one looks like you've clearly put foundation on your face, okay? But if you're looking for that full coverage finish, this would be it. If you're looking for something more skin-like, this would be great. Now, I know I said this would be better for oily skin and this would be great for dry skin. All you have to do is just get your skin prep right and you can use either on absolutely any skin. So let's say you have really dry skin, but you like this product. Go in with like a nice creamy moisturizer and a hydrating primer and then apply this on. I've given some examples in my caption, okay? Check it out. And if you have oily skin and you still like the skin-like glowy finish and you want to use this product, then you'll have to go in with a gel-based moisturizer and then top it off with like a mattifying primer. Again, suggestions are in the caption, so don't forget to check it out, okay? So I guess that's it about these two products. If you all would like me to do a review on absolutely any other product out there, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely make the tutorial. See you guys in the next video.